How special is what an observer does? It's just about taking a large set of possible inputs and returning a much smaller set of possible outputs. That's a conceptual idea that's appeared in many fields, but here we want to think not about what's mathematically describable, but what in general is implemented by our sensors, our measuring devices, or our ways of analyzing things. The key concept of observer theory is that it's possible to make conclusions about an observer's impression of the world just by knowing about the capabilities and assumptions of the observer without knowing in detail what the observer is like inside. For example, in our physics project, we seem to be able to derive from the structure of the Rulliad the core laws of 20th century physics, general relativity, quantum mechanics, and the second law, just on the basis of two features of us as observers, that we're computationally bounded and that we believe we're persistent in time, even though underneath we're made of different atoms of space at every successive moment. The point of observer theory is to provide a general framework in which we can characterize observers and then see the consequences of those characterizations for the impressions or conclusions observers will form.